Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove a card from Google Play, secure update step by step.
Open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone or tablet. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account at the top right. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the Play Store. Tap Payments and Subscriptions from the menu that opens. Tap Payment Methods to view your saved cards and accounts. If you see a message about secure update, tap Continue to proceed. Verify it is really Google by checking you are inside the Play Store or pay.google.com. Choose the card you want to remove from the list of payment methods. Tap the card to open its details page. Tap More Options if you do not immediately see the Remove button. Tap Remove or Remove Payment Method, depending on your screen. If asked, confirm the removal by tapping Remove again. Complete the secure update verification if it appears, such as your screen lock or password. Wait for the confirmation that the payment method has been removed. Go back to Payment Methods and confirm the card is no longer listed. If the card still appears, close the Play Store completely and open it again. Repeat the steps to check if the removal is now reflected. If you cannot remove it, open a browser and go to pay.google.com. Sign in with the same Google account used in the Play Store. Click Payment Methods on the left side menu. Find the same card and click Remove under that payment method. Confirm the removal when the pop-up asks you to verify. Return to the Play Store and refresh by reopening Payment Methods. If removal is blocked, check if you have an active subscription using that card. Go to Payments and Subscriptions and open Subscriptions. Update the subscription payment method first or cancel the subscription if needed. Then return to Payment Methods and remove the card again. For extra safety, enable Screen Lock and keep your Google password private after making changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.